We all saw the march, right? Okay, Durban, they went to Eastern Cape. Was it successful?
March and March ibe successful, especially kulabantu abaloyal ku-South Africa. Ibe successful kubantu abayithandayo eSouth Africa, kubantu abezwa ubuhlungu ngalento yenzakalayo. Ibe successful. But mawungekho loyal ku-South Africa, ungayithandi South Africa, uthanda imali ukudlula iSouth Africa, uzobona ngathi azange ibe successful. Ibe successful ngoba siyayibona na ivideo nesakhuluma ngayo lento na today. A reason ukukhuluma kanje is because of azange nenze imali ngelanga le March and March wena ne-out yakho. Ushade nalo iNigeria wena. Ulala nalo iNigeria. Into ekuthusayo or ekuthusile ngeMarch and March. Ubonile ukuthi if ingacontinue lento angeke usakhona ukuthola imali ama-drugs, angeke usakhona ukuyidla, angeke usakhona ukusileya, angeke usakhona ukuphila ilife ephezulu. Kunezinto enizoziluza esibhadalwa ngemali yama-drugs. Inkulumo yakho yomuntu ofe unembeza, uyazi ukuthi out yakho iyenza ngayiphi indlela imali. So uthuswa yilento leyo ukuthi if lento ingacontinue sizobhayiziseka. Ibe successful iMarch and March ngoba the aim it was ukusenda imessage kuma boyfriend wena ama-Nigeria ukuthi if singahlangana thina singabantu base-South Africa singaba destroyer, lo msangano abawenzayo ungaphela. And i-aim bekukuhlanganisa abantu base-South Africa. Lento ishake abantu abaningi ize yashake nama-politician awajabulanga la akhona njengawe. Remember ukuthi bayabhadalwa nabo, babhadalelwa ukudestroy abantu base-South Africa, babhadalelwa ukuthi basibhayizise, babhadalelwa ukuthi basidivide singabantu base-South Africa. They know ukuthi if singahlangana wonke lama language bonke abantu base-South Africa lo msangano bawenzayo ongaphela. Remember ukuthi kunama-politician abantwana babo bafunda ezikoleni ezidurayo, babhadala bo ma-50, 100,000 aba-affected. But if thina singahlangana singama-South African bangalamba abantu abaningi. So I understand futhi ukuthi ukhulunyiswa ukuthi uyazi ukuthi mhlambe u-escape indlala ngemali yama-drugs. So if lento ingachubeka ungabuyela endlaleni. Abantu abafana nawe umuntu angalaliswa nenja abhadalwe for ukudla amasimba wenja, and angeke azamind because uyazi ukuthi uya escape from endlaleni. Mawufuna uku-escape endlaleni ungalala noma yini, awunandaba. Umuntu angabulawa phambi kwakho uzoyithulela, awunandaba, because usuke ufe inembeza, so sayinile ukuthi wena sosebenzela ispirit of darkness, awunandaba. So if unomntwana mhlamba abantwana bakho aba-affected because of imali ama-drugs yele ebhadala school fees la bafunda khona. So yeah, ibe successful kakhulu. If iyachubeka thina siyajabula, siyazi ukuthi kunomphefumulo oseyivekayo umuhle, mara ingqondo ayikho, ucabanga ngiyiboni, ingqondo yakho seyibona sidwedwe.
Wena mfazi wekwelekwele usucala ukubanga isidina alukubanga isicefe. Wena mfazi wekwelekwele obhejwa ngephunga lekhwapha, akuthina esathi hamba uyoshada namasimba eNigeriyeni elinuka amakhwapha. Uyabuya manje la uzosibangela isidini, uzosibangela isicefe nodaka olugcwele ubuso, sikhwama samasende kwelekwele. Akuthina esathi hamba uyohala imthondo engangeyimbongolo lapha eNigeria njengoba ususibangela isicefe nje. Sicela uye ukusijwayela kabo namfazi wekwelekwele, yeka nje ukusijwayela amasimba. Akuthina esathi shada nekwelekwele, yeka kulo uzosifundekela ngothuvi la. Qhubeka uhogela ikhwapha la, ikhwapha iququle ikhwapha lapho lekwelekwele, uqhubeka uenjoy amasenda anukayo lapho, uye ukusijwayela amasimba wona sifebe. Mfazi wekwelekwele ndini, sikhopho sikanyo kade yasidakela.
niyazi ukuthi iyiphi yona into ebukhuni ngokuba i-activist, a black activist la eSouth Africa uthi ulwela amalungelo abantu abamnyama is not labantu osuke uyobalwisa. Inkinga yakho, your biggest problem kusuke kuyilabantu obalwelayo, ngoba i-attitude yabo basuke besho ukuthi asikucelanga ukuthi usilwele. Uyabona lento yokuthi kuthiwe oJacinta no much too much, no ngizwe no Phakela Umthakathi nabo nazo zonke lezi inhlangano ezilwela amalungelo abantu abamnyama bakuleli against abantu bokufika. Bayasho ukuthi why bengaye Orania, go to Orania, Jacinta go to Orania. Mind you, wena ubhizi lapho uhlele erumini yakho ushaya amavideo ka TikTok ukhomba abantu ukuthi baye Orania. Awuyingani wena? Awuyingani wena ngoba phela kulwelwa nanawe la. Awuyingani wena? The problem is siyabantu abamnyama base South Africa okokuqala, we are always waiting for some savior. We can never save ourselves. Sihlezi silinde umsindisi wethu. Naloyo umsindisi mayethi uyazama ukuthi asisize noma afake isandla siyagxeka because we always think ukuthi nokuthi ngabe kwenziwe ngendlela engcono kunale yenziwe. Akekho umuntu owish favor. uJacinta doesn't owe you a favor. Uyabo wena obhize othi akahamba eOrania, she does not owe you jack shit. I'm sorry, ngizoyibeka nje kanjalo. Sorry for the vulgarity. Kodwa nje akakweleti lutho, much too much. Ayikweleti lutho, lokhunjana Operation Dudula, ungizwe ophakela umthakathi, zonke lezi inhlangano zikweleti lutho. They owe you nothing. And even namanje ngiyasho, uyabona makuwukuthi ngempela zingasuka lezi inhlangano ziye eOrania zithi ziyolwa nalabo belungu. Zithi hayi ngeke, you guys are living segregated lana emhlabeni wethu phumani. Abantu bokuqala bazokhuluma bathi bakhuza ibhadi bathi hayi ngeke bafethwa akwenziwa kanje abantu abamnyama bala eSouth Africa. Akusibo labelungu abase Orania bazokhala kuqala, abantu abamnyama. Uyabona ukuthi kahle we are our biggest issue, uyabo? Ngoba phela imandate yalabantu bokufika nenkinga ebikhona esinayo nabo is the fact that ukuthi uningi lwabo, in fact ngeke ngilo ngichaza into esiyaziyo sonke ukuthi ikephi kahle inkinga esinayo nabantu bokufika, siyayazi sonke. Kodwa ukuthi uyabona usukile nje wayikhandla wathi nje uzolwela abantu abamnyama, ibona abantu bokuqala abazogxeka lapho. Ngoba phela sonke siyazi, we know the best solution. Yilona lo uyazi, yilona lo yilo uzoqhamuka ukuthi hayi akufanele ngabe kuliwe kanje, hayi akufanele nye, hayi akikwazi ukukhipha abantu eOrania kanjena. So eyona inkinga kahle esibhekane nayo is not lama issues lawa wabanye abantu. Eyona issue esibhekane nayo is ourselves nje qala. Siqale nje lapho. We have a big problem as the black society. Before nje size siye ukuthi kanjani ezinye inhlanga sinenkinga nje enkulu kabi thina ngoba siyazi too much. Ake sicabange nje leyo nto nje let it.
Guys, I have a question. If you break up with someone, do you still ask them to give you like Valentine's gifts, take you out on surprise dates, plan stuff for you, send you lovely messages and like all the like relationshipy stuff, even after you had broken up with the person? Do you still expect to get the benefits of being in a relationship with that person? Now I'm asking this because I've said this many times before. Jacinta is busy breaking relationships that South Africa has with other African countries and other African nationals, right? Especially the Nigerians and the Zimbabweans, Ethiopians and Somalians also. The problem with this is that currently in South Africa we have a crisis where we don't have fuel. I don't have fuel because Trump is fighting with someone. Trump pulled the Trump vele and then he started fighting with Batubako, Iran or something, and then the Strait of Hormuz got closed and now we can't get like our oil supplies and stuff like that. So now the other thing is that the biggest oil supply currently in the African continent is Nigeria. Nigeria has oil. Nigeria has oil for days. Nigeria, Angola, what else was there? I think Libya, Nigeria, Libya, and Angola, they are the biggest oil suppliers in the African continent right now, currently today. They are our biggest oil suppliers. What is going to happen if Mr. Dangote from Nigeria, because he is the main man behind this big oil company, what is going to happen if Dangote decides, you know what, I'm no longer going to supply oil to South Africa? at all, because South Africa does not want my people. President Ramaphosa is quiet when Jacinta is making this march and chasing away my people. What is going to happen? The only thing is that we're going to end up buying all of our oil from European companies and countries, right? Which is not good. Nothing about buying from a European market is good. Remember when I made the 50 Rand example where I said, if you have 50 Rand and you want to buy vegetables, right, Eloksheen, you have to leave the gate. That's the only thing you have to do. You leave the gate, where Mamontla gate, and then and then you buy your vegetables, get that 50 Rand. If you go to a European market, 50 Rand is not going to buy you anything. Just 2 packs of vegetables. But you're not going to have transport to come back to the house. Because the European market does not run on the street. It does not run on the street. What is going to happen if Dangote decides, I am not going to supply South Africa with oil, and then Angola joins in, Libya joins in, and all the other African countries decide to join in and say, you know what, I am no longer also going to supply South Africa with oil, because look at the relationship and look at the way that they are treating Africans currently in their country. They are treating Africans like they are a bunch of foreigners or they do not belong within Africa. What is going to happen? If Dangote pulls a J Trump, or Trump became a J Trump, if Dangote decides to pull a J Trump on us, ringil. Currently, the best thing that South Africa should be doing is actually investing in a relationship with Angola, Libya, and Nigeria, where we buy oil strictly from them. Oil is about Trump. Oil we source directly from within Africa. That would have been the best move for President Ramaphosa to do at this current moment, because now the fuel prices have gone up. Dangote has oil for days, and we need oil. Jacinta is busy destroying relationships kadi match and match. Libo Operation Tudula, Libo Hemen Mashaba kadi Action SA. You guys are busy destroying relationships, and you're just looking at the fact that you guys want to get votes because election season is coming and what. This thing is not going to work. It is not going to work. You are going to destroy relationships that Africans have with other Africans. You are going to you are burning bridges with the wrong group of people. You are burning bridges with the wrong race, actually. Wrong race. So now what's going to happen also, like, I'm not saying these are things that are happening, but what else might happen if Zimbabwe also decides, you know what, I'm no longer going to source petroleum to South Africa. I'm no longer going to supply South Africa with petroleum. I'm no longer going to supply South Africa with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is going to happen to the South African economy? It's going to crumble. And it's going to start crumbling. The people who are going to feel the heat are the ones at the bottom of the food chain. The rich people at the top that Jacinta is busy protecting and wanted, those people are not going to feel nothing. Those people are rich enough to import their own tanks of oil that are going to last them for years and years and years. The people at the bottom of the food chain, what about them? What about them? Jacinta is busy saying, I'm fighting for South Africans. You are not fighting for South Africans. You are fighting for white people. And South Africa is a title given after white people gained residency in South Africa. South Africa is a white country, but Africa and Azania, that is a country of black people. South Africa is a country of Makho. That's just my 2 cents on this one. South Africa is a white people country. Azania and Africa, those are black people countries. My 2 cents. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. After this entire thing happens and Jacinta destroys relationships that we have with Bo Dangote, Bo Mozambique, Bo Zimbabwe, Bo Ethiopia and Somalia, regardless of what we are importing and exporting from these countries, as South Africans, we still can't go back to them and say, hi Nigeria, how are you? Can I have, Boma 3,000 liters of oil? You can't. You broke up with Nigeria the time you were mistreating its people. If Mr. Dangote decides, hey, listen up, we are no longer going to supply oil to South Africa. Ringile. La go paka dikoloi ka nkane. Lona, xenophobic South Africans, la go di paka dikoloi tseo. Koloi ya gona still. Ya no la go reka di bicycle. La go reka di bicycle, la go reka di skateboard, la go America nka di skateboard le di bicycle. Just watch and you see. Just watch. That's exactly where this economy is going right now. And I did say many times before, Africa is a much bigger audience than China, America, and Europe. Africa has a whole lot more to offer Africans than China does, America does, and Europe does. Africa is big, and when I say big, it's big. Africa is tona. On the map, they make it look small, but Africa is actually gigantic. It is big. It's a much bigger audience. It's a much bigger economy. But things like Bo Match and Match, Libo Operation to do, Libo Hemen Mashabakadi, Match and Match, you guys are destroying these relationships that we have with our African brothers and sisters and with their economies. La mulung o bilang. And on top of that, Nina Bantuana, guys, like I keep talking about how kids are not supposed to be suffering. Lena lebana. Your children are going to grow up in this very same economy that you're busy building. They're going to grow up in it. They're going to suffer the very same way that you had suffered to, where you applied for NSFAS and then your application got rejected and then you applied again and then they approved you and then next thing they said, oh, actually you have to pay it back. Your children are going to suffer the very same way that you had suffered because we did not unite. We did not decide as Africans, let's take all of our eggs and put them in one basket and let's see what's going to happen. Yay!
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. South Africans are defending uJacinta against ijolofina lemdrika lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana khuluma indaba yokuthi imashi yabo bebanayo lapha e-East London. It was not a success. Bekahleka avakalisa kujabula, and apparently this girl she's married to a Nigerian, hence why she's happy. Yabona liqiniso ukuthi lenzabe yokulwa nema-foreigners la South Africa awuqasuli ma-foreigners kuphela, qasuka ngisho nema-South Africans who are dating, who are married to ma-foreigners, who are benefiting from foreigners, labaqashise ma-foreigners. So ma uthinta njena enzabe ma-foreigners uthinta ngisho nakuma-South Africans because babaqashisile benta imali ngabo babagwazela. So indzaba yakhona nje ivele ikwatise abantu labaningi kakhulu ngaphandle kwawo ma-foreigners. People are defending uJacinta ukuthi lo girl akaphume aphele kuJacinta akahlukane nje naye because always hlezi enda ama-video dragging uJacinta and that young girl hlezi atshela Jacinta ukuthi akahambe Oriana, why uyanini Oriana uqosha belungu. And people are saying ukuthi awuyingani wena, why are you sending messages to Jacinta? Why when Oriana yubaqosha labo balungu labo? Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.